Hey everyone, welcome back, and this time let me show you how you can make the iPhone not respond to touch. So actually the way that it works is that we're going to use a feature which is called guided access. So inside of the settings, when you proceed to the accessibility right there, you're going to notice that at the bottom of this list or menu, we can find what's called guided access. And it's basically a feature which can make it work for us. So if you don't have it enabled, make sure you toggle it on like this, and it is now turned on. So essentially, now we need to decide in which app we want to lock the touch screen. For example, a lot of people just open up some photos or, I don't know, videos in here or whatever. And let's say I don't want anything to be touched right now. What I can do is to trigger the guided access. Now, this can be done by triple clicking the side button or, the power button. So you perform it like this. 1, 2, 3, click on the guided access. And in here, before you click on a start, you have the session settings, and there is the touch screen option, and you can decide whether it's going to be enabled or not, because obviously you can also filter and limit some other aspects of this as well. But in our case, we want to make sure that the touch is not turned on. And once we have this, we can click on a start, set up a passcode for this, right? So it is locked in place, and now guided access has started. This means that now the screen does not respond to touch. It doesn't do anything, and we can only look at this thing right in here. So that's how it works. If you want to get outside of that, you have to triple click the side button again, like that. Click on guided access and type in the code to disable this feature. So now we can click on end, and the phone is now usable as normal. So that's how you can make the iPhone not respond to touch. That's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if it actually worked for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next uploads in the future.